Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to LAT's weekly market insights. I hope it's all been a good week for you. Some opportunities in the market, some clean moves across the board for the commodity sector, indices, currencies back at it, King Dollar again, ruling the roast through the course of the week. But of course, the week's been building up into non-farm payrolls. Total number of new jobs created for the previous month. So we're looking back for August here. We are getting this data the first Friday of every month, and it gave us a little bit of for everybody today. Okay, a little bit for everybody. We saw the headline figure, non-farm payrolls figure, a strong performance, 315,000, slight beat on expectation of the 300,000, way down from the previous month. To offset that, bring a little bit of negativity back in. Average hourly earnings year on year, month on month, both missed expectation, only by spot 1% for each. So spot 3 over spot 4 as consensus, and 5 spot 2 versus 5 spot 3. But again, to help kind of offset the negativity from that, we did see positivity. Labour force participation rates coming up to 62.4%, spot 2% above. So a little bit for everybody here. The market reaction off the bat was positivity. Okay, we've seen the indice markets move higher. We've seen the dollar just paired. It's just come back slightly lower from where we were previously trading. King Dollar again has had another good week, but it's just setting back off the highs slightly. And that positivity in S&P here we can just see running through now. Fundamentally, not too much really to support this move higher in the S&P. The trend firmly still down. The US do go into a bank holiday weekend, a long holiday weekend for them, so potentially some position squaring, a little bit of a relief rally off the back of that. Like I said, fundamentally trends still firmly intact here, lower highs, lower lows. It's just a big key support level. It's the highs 18th of July, 26th of July, strong support level acting here. You've also got the NASDAQ. Again, similar level, strong support coming in and a bit of a relief rally. It's the DAX here that's actually outperforming, just having a run back up towards the highs of the week and having a very strong close. Now, dollar, of course, been acting very much as a safe haven of late. Dollar continuing to strengthen with its far more hawkish, a flight to safety. However, we have just seen euro pop its head back up above parity, just trading slightly over for the time being. And we've got a slight positive reaction here, slightly more hawkish commentary coming out of the ECB. We've also seen a big move in natural gas off the prospect of potential intervention from the Eurozone. So it's just led to a slightly more risk-on tone to end the day. Like I said, I don't think fundamentally too much to go out here. Like I said, the long weekend, potentially some position squaring, and we're just seeing markets sort of generally make their way back up towards recent highs. Now, just want to dial in here on the S&P and have a look at where were we positioned this morning? What indications could we have had that perhaps we were going to be seeing this strong close to the week? And I'm just going to bring volume profiles into this. From the start of the week on Monday, we've seen value just slowly shifting lower. This Monday profile here, trading up around the 40-30 markers. We shifted lower down to the 39.90s, held that through Tuesday and Wednesday, aggressively moved lower again through Thursday, finding value down at this 39.30 region. And then we had a really strong close in towards the end of the day yesterday. So this was that move coming in towards the close of the session yesterday. Took us back up through some of these previous lows, and it basically put us back towards the closing and the lows back from Wednesday. And we can see here we opened up today well above value for yesterday, and also up through the highs of Wednesday, and in and around the lows of Wednesday, and also in and around the lows of Tuesday. So a real positive close, gave us a lot of confidence coming into today that perhaps we could see a little bit of a relief rally. That's exactly what we've seen, that consolidation, but we can just see. Let's make the S&P slightly larger here. We'll just dial this down, slightly lower time frame. We can see the range here that was created, that pause, hesitation ahead of non-farms. Like I said, a fairly positive result for all opinions, really, whether you were expecting a positive figure, negative figure. We've got a little bit of everything. As I said, that participation rate probably providing the most confidence to people entering back into the workforce. And now we've just taken a pause and a breather. Okay, we are holding the value area low from the start of the week back where we were on Monday. We've got a very thin volume area here from Tuesday. The highs of the day from Wednesday, all just pegging this price back here at the moment. Point of control moving higher here on Thursday, and through this session today. We'll look to see if the move can come up through this, take out these highs of Wednesday, take out that value area from Monday, and perhaps take a move back up towards not far off where we started the week, really. Okay, so a lot of positivity here, a little hesitation now. As we said, it is a long holiday weekend for the US, so perhaps a little bit of position squaring after what's been a big aggressive move lower. Let's not forget, okay, these indice markets from the daily charts aggressively off these highs now. 4,300 was that big turning point, now trading down 3,900, so 400 points down off that high over the course of the last couple of weeks. As good a reason as any with a bank holiday to look forward to in the US, to close out some positions and start to put your feet up and relax. Okay, so plenty of opportunities this week, some nice short positions, nice longs to end the week. We're going to close this week with a more risk-on tone, certainly than we started the week. We'll look to see, of course, these trends as of yet still holding firm. We'll be looking to see, can we hold below some of these highs, and if we can, will we see more negativity filter through next week as we continue to make our journey and perhaps run down to the previous lows set back here in June at that 363.4 level, something like that, 36 level. Okay, so we'll keep our eyes peeled for that. All eyes now towards the Fed again, as always. Okay, we're about 75% priced in now for a 75 basis point hike coming into the next Fed decision. So we'll be waiting to see where's that next inflation print, that next CPI print going to be coming from. And then we'll see, will that help us with the indication on continuation further down, or perhaps a bit of a relief rally from this 3,900 back up towards some of these highs, that 41, 4200 handle. Okay, so I hope you got some trades this week. Hope you enjoyed the volatility that came around today. Hopefully you've enjoyed your week. You've got some learnings to take from it. Please do join us next week, where we'll be sure to keep you up to date with another weekly market insight. That's all from us for now. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll speak to you all soon.